If you want to convert a video quickly and keep great quality, HandBrake is one of the best free tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you how to use HandBrake Video Converter step by step, from loading your file to choosing the right preset, setting your output options, and starting the conversion. I'll also show you which input files HandBrake can open, plus the best output formats to use depending on your goal. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open HandBrake on your computer. Once the app is loaded, the very first thing you need to do is bring in the video you want to convert. To do that, click the Open Source button on the toolbar. A file window will appear, and from here you can select the video file from your computer. HandBrake can open a wide range of common video formats, including MP4, MKV, AVI, and MOV. It also supports formats like WMV, FLV, and WEBM, plus DVD and broadcast style files such as MPEG, VOB, M2TS, and TS. So whether you're working with a standard camera file or something more advanced, there's a good chance HandBrake can handle it. After you select your file, HandBrake will scan it automatically. During this scan, the program analyzes important details like resolution and frame rate. This helps HandBrake prepare the right settings for your conversion. Depending on the size of the video, this may take just a few seconds, so give it a moment to finish before changing anything. Next, it's time to choose a preset. Presets are one of the easiest parts of HandBrake because they give you a ready-made starting point. Click the Presets button in the top right corner to open the sidebar. In the general category, a common choice is Fast 1080p 30, which is a great option for standard web-friendly videos. If you're converting for a specific device, you can browse the devices category and choose a profile for Android, Apple, or Roku. And if your video is meant for online use, the web category includes presets like Discord or YouTube, which can help you get settings that are better matched to those platforms. Once your preset is selected, move on to the output settings. Click the Summary tab first. Here, you'll choose your container format. For most people, MP4 is the best option because it is widely compatible with devices, players, and websites. MKV is also available if you want another flexible format. HandBrake also supports WebM in some cases, depending on your workflow. If you're not sure which one to use, MP4 is usually the safest choice. Now go to the Dimensions tab. This is where you can confirm that the output resolution looks correct. HandBrake usually does a good job of removing black bars automatically, which is helpful if your source video has extra space around the image. Still, it's always smart to check the dimensions before encoding, especially if you want to preserve the exact look of the original file or make sure the final video fits a specific platform. Next, click the Video tab. This is where the quality and compression settings live. For the encoder, you'll usually want to choose H.264 if you want standard compatibility, or H.265 if you want better compression and a smaller file size. H.264 is the safer, more universal choice, while H.265 can save more space if your device or platform supports it. Then look at the constant quality slider, also known as RF. A value between 20 and 22 is a very balanced starting point for many videos. If you want higher quality, lower the RF value, but keep in mind that this will increase file size. If you want a smaller file, you can raise it slightly, but too high may reduce visual quality. So for most users, 20 to 22 is a great middle ground. After that, it's time to decide where your new file will be saved. At the bottom, click Browse and choose the folder you want to use for the converted video. Give the file a clear name so you can find it easily later. This step is important because it helps you stay organized, especially if you convert a lot of videos. Now, everything is ready. To begin the conversion, click the green Start Encode button at the top. HandBrake will begin processing your video using the settings you selected. Depending on the length of the file, your computer speed, and the chosen encoder, this can take a little while. Once it's done, your new converted video will be saved in the location you selected earlier. And that's the full process for using HandBrake Video Converter. You loaded your source video, picked a preset, configured the output, and started the encode. Once you get used to it, HandBrake becomes a very fast and reliable way to convert almost any video file into a format you can use more easily. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.